Hey there! So this is a follow-up video to a previous video that was demonstrating an issue that I was having in Adobe Animate where bitmap images contained within symbols weren't always following the same transformations that were applied to their parent symbol. And to show you how this can be kind of problematic, here's the animation that I used from the last video where it's just a simple flipbook animation. So I'll just play it on the main timeline. So it's very subtle, the problem, and it's where right around here where the image where the symbol becomes very skewed is that the bitmap becomes almost unaligned or ignores the transformation that was applied to its parent symbol. As you can see, it's the problem is present with both images, and within this symbol here contains two bitmap images that are used to create this animation. And you can watch the previous video to find out all the image settings that I'm using. So this is a follow-up video because it provides a little bit of a workaround for how to avoid this problem if you're dealing with this. And it's not only present for when you're skewing parent symbols, but it also occurs if you're just scaling it in one direction very much so, or one axis. So just to show you, I'm just going to go over to my second scene here where I just have a bitmap image contained within a movie clip, and I'm scaling it down to around near 2%. And you can see as I zoom in that the image becomes it sort of loses its transformation. It's inconsistent, and it causes an inconsistency in the animation. And to show you its present, of course, when I export a Swift movie. So here's the flipbook animation, and there's the other animation. And we're just going to pause it. You can see that it's distorted there. And just to move the flipbook animation gradually, you can see that the issue is still present there. So what is the workaround? The workaround I found was actually to create or to change the symbols into movie clips. So as you can see, these are this is a movie clip symbol, and to actually render it as cache as bitmap. So I have it selected, and then I select cache as bitmap. And then when it gets to the 2% mark, I'm just going to make sure that this is also cached as bitmap for this keyframe. Deselect everything, make sure it's properly selected, cache as bitmap, and you can see right away that it changed to the proper transformation. And when I publish this scene, you can see that the proper transformation was maintained this time. And just to show again that this seems to be a viable, this seems to solve the problem, I'm just going to revert back to where it was, where there was no caching applied to the movie clips. Original, no change. And the issue is present again. Adding the cache, properly selecting here, cache as bitmap, going back here, cache as bitmap, and publishing the scene. And that solves the issue. And this also works for the flipbook animation. I'll just go back to the previous scene, except in this case I have to go inside my symbol here and convert each of these images into a movie clip. I'll just say symbol 4, that's fine. Turn this into a movie clip, cache as bitmap, set this one to be the same, turn that into a movie clip, that's fine. Set the renderer to be cache as bitmap, so I've done that for both of these frames. And I go back to scene 1, let's just publish the Swift movie for this scene. And there you go. And to move this gradually forward, just to show that there's no issue. Yep, there's no flickering or any part of the animation where the bitmap images lose their transformation during the animation. So this is a viable solution for now, for solving this problem, for my projects at least. I don't think this is too difficult to do, but this is a good workaround for me, and I hope this video has helped you. And I'm posting this as well to the Adobe support community forums, where a thread has already been created about this issue. So this is a follow-up video that I'm again doing for the previous video that I made. So I hope this helps you, and glad that glad a solution has been found to this issue, essentially. But it would be nice if in general a bug like this would be fixed without having to use this workaround. So that's my feedback for the Adobe Animate developers. Anyways, you have a good day now, and take care.